SX300. The SX300 saw is the smallest of our freestanding saws. It's equipped with a 2-horsepower motor with brake. Its cutting capacities are from 240 to 300. It's high enough to cut a lamb in 2 pieces. It is entirely made of 1810 stainless steel. All levers, hinges and fastenings are made of stainless steel. Access is protected by a safety mechanism, itself controlled by an internal check unit. The wheels are also made of 1810 stainless steel, the only material that conforms to EC standards for this application. The scrapers are spring-mounted for optimum efficiency and to facilitate cleaning. They can be replaced without tools and without the need of a technician. All angles are rounded. It's fitted with an automatic saw stretcher. It's completely watertight, allowing it to be cleaned with a high-pressure hose. The platen tips for easy cleaning and to ensure perfect cleanliness. The rounded joints on the door rebates ensure perfect tightness. Its build quality guarantees that it will remain in perfect condition for many years. The saw is equipped with 6 scrapers, ensuring a clean cut with minimum shavings on the slice.